This tool is incredibly crucial for your PC, especially if you manage multiple hard drives or store a wealth of data. With two powerful features, backup and sync, the possibility are vast. Backup features. Backing up your files becomes a breeze with various options from system backups to hard disks, email, Outlook, and even cloud backup. Get 1 TB free cloud backup with an account. You have a myriad of similar features to explore, and of course, you can restore them at your convenience. Syncing offers multiple modes for the synchronization. Number 1, basic sync. Easily sync changed files from the source to the destination directory. And of course, there's another option called real-time sync. Real-time sync changed files in real time. These features work seamlessly, allowing you to sync data across different drivers or external drives while keeping it consistently updated. Restore backup. If you have created backup for games, Windows or partition, restoring in a simple process. Navigate to the restore option, select the backup files and your data will be automatically restored. Now in my case, I don't have any backup yet, so if you have any backup, just select that file and open it. It will automatically restore to their original destination. Some additional options. These tools boards serve several advanced features including disk cloning, system migrations from SSD to HDD without data loss, and more. In the tools section, explore extra features like upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11, creating bootable USB pen drive, and much more. Explore the vast capabilities of this tool and you will find it to be an invaluable asset for your PC maintenance needs. We hope this video proves helpful. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.